We're doing a quick comparison of the MusicNomad F-ONE Oil with Dunlop 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil. Both are great to use on your fretboard. But with the F-ONE Oil, it's 100% natural oil, and it's safe for all unfinished wood, especially maple, ebony, rosewood, and many more. And it doesn't really have a smell to it. It's very subtle kind of smell to it. And of course, it does not have any lemon oil and doesn't have any petroleum, wax, silicone, or water. Then we have the Dunlop, which is a lemon oil, alcohol based. It is not safe for maple, and it has a strong lemon scent, and it may dry the wood over time, but it is great to be used for quick cleans, like between changing your strings. Um, F-ONE oil you may need to use just only once or twice a year, and you may need to use the Dunlop a little bit more often, but you get more of it. And the applicator that it comes in is just like this. You just turn it over, dab it, and just wipe it across the fretboard. And I do enjoy the lemon smell. It was always a joy to apply it and just have my guitar smelling like lemon. I think I bought this Dunlop maybe about 10 years ago. Still got plenty of lemon oil left. And I do love the lemon scent that my guitar would have after I was finished with it. And this has been the comparison of MusicNomad F-ONE Oil and Dunlop 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil.